introduction. Now, it was founded in Rome in 1884, and Bulgari began as a jewelry shop before it was transformed into a global powerhouse that it is today, wherein it is known for high jewelry, watches, fragrances, accessories, and luxury hotels. This case study explores Bulgari's journey through diversification and innovation, and also, especially after it was acquired by LVMH, that is the luxury conglomerate, and it was done sometime in 2011. Let's give you a bit of a historical context. Over the decades, Bulgari has distinguished itself with its bold and innovative designs, and it is now characterized by thick gold links and the use of colorful gemstones, which are heavily influenced by the Roman and the Greek artistry. The post-war era saw the introduction of the Serpenti bracelet watch, and also throughout the 20th and the 21st century, we have seen Bulgari's creative offerings expanded into a diverse product range from bridal collections to fragrances, and each have been marked by the hallmark of Bulgari's authenticity and its richness in design. Now, expansion and diversification herein, as we mentioned, in the late 20th and the 21st centuries marked a period of significant growth and diversification for Bulgari. And notably in 2001, Bulgari made a strategic expansion into the hotel industry, which with the launch of Bulgari Hotels and Resorts, beginning with the opening of Bulgari Hotel Milan in 2004. In 2011, Bulgari was acquired by LVMH, which was a pivotal moment because it integrated Bulgari into a leading global luxury group. This strategy has not only helped Bulgari to mitigate the risks associated with economic fluctuations, but it has also enabled it to tap into new markets and demographics. We can conclude that Bulgari's evolution from a traditional jeweler to a broad-based luxury lifestyle brand is a testament to its visionary leadership and commitment to innovation.